6 months ago, we faced the biggest disruption that no one was prepared for. But what we are going through now is a reset.
Sarawak is officially open for business events.
Welcome to BESarawak Tribal Gathering 2020.
The main focus is to mitigate and recover to ensure that we continue to secure every business event for Sarawak. I want to introduce you to our brand new campaign, Tribe Legacy Sarawak. The first component is all about tribe spirit of togetherness.
The reactivation guideline is to be used hand in hand with the SOP. It's because we want to reactivate our industry with the new way of organizing business events.
It's an opportunity for us not only to meet up as a gathering, but it is also a time where we know how to reach out for rescue.
To support the industry, we are introducing the business event planners incentivized packages endorsed by our Sarawak government.
We are a community that will unite to activate Sarawak as a safe and ready destination for business events.
I'm so glad today's session is providing all the incentive for the local businesses like us.
Tribe Digital Campus, the latest addition for capacity building, business lead generation.
It will also help you understand the business model of business events and promote professionalism among the industry.
This would indeed help the industry as a whole to maintain our clientele.
So what makes Sarawak as the business event destination now? It's you, it's me, it's us and our people. This is what Sarawak is made for. It's people.